Looking for the perfect way to rejuvenate tired calves, aching muscles, and sore feet after a long day's work? We have the perfect solution. Introducing the Dr. Physio Leg and Foot Massager 1022, the multifunctional massager designed to bring professional massage right to your door. This unique device helps improve blood circulation, reduce tension, and ease pain in the lower legs and feet with a combination of advanced rolling, kneading, heat, and vibrating massage modes. To get started, simply plug into the mains and place the device near a comfortable seat. Insert your feet and lower legs fully into the massager and choose your settings to begin. Press the power button and use the controls to add vibration or heat, isolated foot or calf massages in manual mode, or even a combined leg and foot massage in 3 different modes if you choose the auto setting. The smooth mechanical rollers knead and relax the muscles, allowing your legs and feet to feel fresh and renewed. The lights at the top of the control panel indicate which settings you've chosen, and there's even a time feature to indicate how long the massage will last and which mode you're currently in. You can change these settings at any time, and pressing the off button will bring the massage to an end, allowing you to remove your feet from the massager. We've made it simple to clean too, with removable cloth covers. Just unzip, wash, and replace for clean and fresh massages every time. So, stop suffering with aches and pains. Get instant and long-lasting relief for tight calf muscles and tired feet with the Dr. Physio Leg and Foot Massager 1022. Get yours today.